In the previous tutorial, /posts/python tutorial http/, we learned about HTTP requests and APIs. Now let's learn about databases, how to store, read, update, and delete data using Python. Let's break it down. Part 1. SQLite 3. The built-in module creating a database and table con.row_factory equals SQLite 3.row lets you access columns by name, row title, instead of index, row 0. Always use this. Insert data important, always use. Part 2. SQLAlchemy. The Python ORM writing SQL strings by hand works for simple cases, but it gets messy for complex applications. An ORM, Object Relational Mapper, lets you work with Python classes instead of SQL strings. SQLAlchemy is the most popular Python ORM. Relationships connect tables together. In our example, a user has many posts, one-to-many. A post belongs to one user output. The relationship function tells SQLAlchemy how the tables connect. Back_populates creates a two-way link. You can navigate from user to posts and from post to user. Transactions. A transaction groups multiple operations. Either all succeed or all fail. If commit is never called, e.g., an exception is raised, uncommitted changes stay in memory but are not written to the database. For explicit rollback on error, use session.rollback in an except block or wrap the logic in with session.begin, which commits on success and rolls back on exception. Database migrations with Alembic. As your application grows, you will need to change your database schema, add columns, rename tables, etc. Alembic is the migration tool for SQLAlchemy. Alembic tracks schema changes and applies them in order. This is essential for production applications. Common mistakes. 1. SQL injection. 2. Forgetting to close connections. 3.